What's up, YouTube peeps and barbecue freaks? Thank you guys for joining me today. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's not going to be a cooking video. I simply want to talk about something that I touched on probably about 2 months ago, just a tad over 2 months ago. I did a video about 2 months ago where I talked about a barbecue class that I took from ArnieTex, or Arnie Segovia here in Texas. This dude is a IBC Hall of Famer. His nickname is Mr. Consistent because this dude constantly wins. He's been on the circuit for, I believe, over 20 years, so he knows what he's talking about. He puts on classes throughout Texas, or around Texas throughout the year, and I was able to attend one of his classes, and it was phenomenal. I thought I knew a lot when it came to competition barbecue. After this class, I realized there was so much that I did not know, and it was definitely worth taking the class. And in that video, or in the comments, some of you had messaged me and you guys aren't in Texas and aren't able to take his class, or even if you are in Texas, sometimes it can be really difficult to take his class because if you're, let's say, in North Texas and all of his stuff is down in South Texas or Central Texas, Texas is a big state, it's a long drive. So even if you are in Texas, it can be really difficult to make his classes. But if you're out of Texas, it's almost impossible to make one of his classes. But I'm coming to you today because I wanted to let you guys know that even if you aren't in Texas, now you can take his class. He has his tell all class online. When I say tell all, I mean tell all. He gives you every rub for all 4 meats: brisket, ribs, chicken, pork butt. Oh, and he also has steak. So 5 meats. He gives you all his rub combinations, his sauce combinations, his injections, his brines, everything you need to know to up your barbecue game is online. Right now, I believe there's over 70 videos, over 12 hours of lecture, and just tons and tons of information. And there's more coming. Now, 2 great things about this, and Arnie is I consider him a friend, and he's ever since taking this class, he's definitely upped my game. And if you're someone who is entering the barbecue comp world, or just want to up your game, period, even if you're a backyard cook, this is definitely worth the investment. You'll cut the learning curve in half, save money along the way. It's just a really great class. But now the class is online, so if you want to take it, you don't even have to be in Texas to do it. The best part, or 2 great things that I love about this, that I think you guys are going to dig, is not only do you get the current information that's on there now, but any new recipes, tips, techniques, sauce combination, anything in the future that he comes out with, you get access to. And you'll have, if you sign up for the online class, you'll have it forever. So when I took his class, I took a lot of notes, and I still have those notes. However, there was times I wished, or I thought, did he do this or did he do this? When it comes to trimming a meat or cooking a meat. So I didn't have, while I had the notes of everything, I sometimes I didn't quite remember what exactly he did. But with the online videos, you can always go back to it. It's there forever. You can always go back to it. And, if you miss something, or if you're wondering, did he do this or that, the videos will be there forever for you to have. The best part about this, and this is why I'm coming to you guys today, because I just have to share this. It's you are not going to find this deal anywhere else from any other pitmaster who puts on classes. I guarantee it. For the first 100 people, He has given you the online class, access to everything for 50. Oh, that's 50 on my end. Maybe it's that way for you, depending on how the camera. Anyway, 50% off. When I saw that, it's just crazy. You are not going to get this kind of information, this kind of knowledge for 50% off. I don't care who you're dealing with. It's just not going to happen, especially from someone who is as seasoned of a pitmaster and as knowledgeable as he is. It's just not going to happen. In fact, I'm going to show you, I'm signed up for the online class. I'm going to show you kind of what that looks like a little bit, just so you have an idea. Now, I'm not going to show a whole lot because you should sign up for it. Again, I just think that this can really up your barbecue game, even if you're just a backyard cook. But I just think it's great that now everything's online and you get it for 50% off. 50, that's just crazy, it's just mind blowing. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what if you sign up, kind of what you're getting, just so you have an idea. Let me flip this camera around real quick. All right, so when you sign up for the class, I'm just gonna kind of give you a quick glance. You get a number of things. These are all the videos on here, and I hope my iPad doesn't fall on me. Like this, oh, let me go back. This Texas Select seasoning, he talks about those seasonings in the videos. You get 15% off of anything that you buy from them just for signing up. The Smoky Okie product is another rub that he talks about in here. You get 50% off of that. And these are all like all the videos. So let me do this because I don't want this to fall. So we start with the competition brisket intro. And as you can see, let me back up real quick. Like these are all the videos you get. Tons and tons of videos, like, you know, to tell you how long the video is here. And so he starts with brisket. And what he does is, if you go to the first one,
Hey, what's up, Pitmasters? Welcome to
he'll
the
give you a
competition
lecture
brisket
of what he's going to talk about.
In this video, we're going to cover context, grades, and selection. Let's get started. All right, the first thing you need to know about brisket cooking, whether at home or in the backyard, is patience. Brisket.
So that's just a quick little example. So he'll go through, you know, this whole video, and actually all of these videos here for the lecture part, telling you about the injections, about the rubs, about everything. And then you get into the demo parts here where he's actually showing you. I'm sorry, I got to flip this around real quick. That's a little better.
All right, Pitmasters, let's get started with our trim on our brisket.
So now he actually shows you in the video how to do it.
Excellent brisket, and as I stated in one of the other videos.
So like you get a ton of videos. He goes through all the lectures, explaining everything, and then shows you exactly how to do it. What I love about this, like I said earlier, is I can go back. I have a competition coming up in a couple of weeks, and I'm able to go back over and over and over to the videos, rewatch them to make sure that I have all my stuff down pat. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys. If any of you are interested in signing up for his online class, again, remember, you have access to this forever. And you also have access to a private Facebook group that each member is a part of. You could go in there and chit chat with other members, bounce ideas off of each other. If you ever have a question for Arnie, you know, he's very active in that group. You can leave your question in there and he'll answer you directly. I just had to bring this to you guys because for the price, for 50% off, you just can't beat it. You just can't. So I will leave a link in the description box of this video. Just click to show more. And if you're interested in signing up for it, again, remember, it's for the first 100 people. I'm not sure how many have signed up already, but it is going to be limited to the first 100 people. So I will leave a link below in the show more, or in the description box. Just hit the show more button. There'll be a link. You could click on that link, and it'll take you to his online class, and you can sign up if you want. Listen, I spent 3 whole days watching all of these videos nonstop, back to back to back, and I'm just, even after taking this class, I'm still blown away. In fact, there were some things that I saw in here that I completely forgot about in the class. Now that I have access to those videos, I'm not worried about forgetting anything. So again, you do not have to be from Texas to do this. The tips and tricks and even the recipes work all over. And you know, you would just adjust them. And he talks about this in some of his videos. You know, if you're cooking in a certain part of the country where things are really sweet, just change up the sauce a little bit or change up the rub. But the techniques, why we do certain things, the knowledge, you know, if you're going to the comp and you're only able to pick up a choice brisket or maybe even a select, because let's say it's last minute, he talks about things to do to help that select brisket taste like a prime, or he gives you information on things to do to help better that select, so you're able to compete with those that are maybe cooking prime. It's just the information is invaluable. Again, I will leave a link below if you're interested. You know, just click on the link, sign up, and I'm part of that Facebook group, so come join me. It'll be fun. So again, if you're interested, click on the link, and I think you guys would absolutely enjoy it. Again, it's a great investment in yourself, a great way to cut the learning curve down. You save money in the long run by not having to, you know, go to comp after comp after comp, wasting money on entrance fees and meats and seasonings, and, you know, still not being able to figure it out. This is a great way to cut that learning curve, save you some time, save you money. So join the group, join the Facebook group. Let's hang out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.